Want to know how to add or install Elementor plugin to your site using WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up WordPress.com, and once you're there, make sure you're under your site dashboard. If you don't know how to do it, we have also created a video, so make sure to watch it. Now, once you're there, on the left side right here, right under appearance, you should be seeing plugin. Just simply select it. Now, once you've selected plugins, on the search bar, type in Elementor. Now select Discover, and now once you're there, scroll down until you see Elementor right here. You can see it's add-on, which is free, but it requires an upgrade, and you can see more of it as well. So you can simply choose any one of these. And once you selected the Elementor add-on that you want to add through your plugin, just simply select Upgrade and Activate. Now just simply select Upgrade and Activate plugin, and now just simply type in your payment info, check it out, and you will be installed and it will be added to your site. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.